In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AWS Budgets in order to keep control over your cost and save money in the cloud. Using the cloud means using IT infrastructure on demand through the internet while you pay only what you actually use. So you don't have any upfront cost and you don't have any running cost whenever you don't use anything. On the other hand, that means it's very helpful to have an overview of what you're actually using and what you're paying for that. And one thing that you can do to not overrun your projected cost, no matter if you're running a private pet project where you just want to make sure that you don't spend more than like $5 or $10 a month, or if you have a full-blown enterprise application with a budget of hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars a month. With AWS Budgets, you can make sure that you always know exactly what you're spending in the cloud, but you can also get a message whenever a certain threshold is being met or exceeded, either now, the actual spend, or the projected spend when you're looking at the end of a specific period like a month or a year. Let's have a look at the console and see how this works. Let's play the role of Alice, our administrator. I'm going to type the username and the password. And with that, I'm going to log into the AWS Management Console. Up here in the search bar, I'm going to type Budgets. Click on that. And now in the AWS Budgets dashboard, you can see that we have no budget yet. We're going to click on Create a Budget. And as you can see, we have different kinds of budgets. But what we're going to focus on this time is the cost budget. So we're going to click on Set Your Budget. And now you can give it a name. Let's call it Don't Spend More Than $7 a Month. We have different periods. We can do daily, monthly, quarterly, annually. We'll do monthly for now, and we're going to set it as a recurring budget with a fixed amount of $7. You can see here my last monthly cost was $5.34, and I'm going to scroll all the way down and click on Configure Thresholds. And as you can see here, we have two types of thresholds, one being the actual cost and the other being the forecasted cost, which means the estimated cost at the end of the month if you keep on using your resources as you're using them now. So I'm going to choose forecasted cost, give it a threshold of 80. So whenever the forecasted amount exceeds 80% of my budget, or $5.60 in this case, it's going to send an alert. Next, I'm going to scroll down and set up an email recipient, which is alice@example.com. But we could also send a message through AWS Chatbot to Slack or a Chime channel. I'll confirm the budget. And now we have a chance to review the budget. It's going to be a cost budget, a budget amount of $7, and our threshold set to forecasted cost greater than 80%, which amounts to $5.60. Let's click on Create. And in this overview, you can see our budget. You can see the current amount, the budgeted amount, the forecasted amount, and the fact that it's at 63.7% of the budgeted amount. Looking at the details, we can see that our current spend is within the budget and the forecasted amount as well. But we can see that the threshold has already been exceeded, so we will probably spend more than 80% of our monthly budget. And this is how you can create budgets in order to keep control over your cost and save money in the cloud. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.